It feels good waking up every morning knowing fully well that you must surely make a withdrawal from a particular platform, guys. So in today's video, guys, I am going to make a live withdrawal, right, from a particular platform which I've already made a video concerning as at yesterday, and today we are still going to make another withdrawal, right? So guys, stay with me while I am going to proceed in order to make a live withdrawal from this particular platform. So I am going to also show you the withdrawal aspect, and relax, towards the end of this video I am going to drop a link for you to be able to get registered and start earning money for yourself every single day, right? Now, in case you want to watch the full video I made concerning this platform, taking you step by step on how you can be able to get started, the things you need to do, I'll also be linking the video towards the end of this video. So just take a chill pill, relax and enjoy this video. So after the registration, this is the interface you're going to be seeing once you log in. So I'm going to proceed to click over here, mine, in order to proceed with the withdrawal. All right, so over here, this is my withdrawable amount. Okay, so when you look over here, you discover that I've already linked my bank account to this particular platform. So the next thing I'm going to do is just to click over here which says withdrawal, right? So click on withdrawal, and over here I am going to type in the amount I would want to withdraw, which is 1,300, right? So right inside this box I am going to type in my trade password, right? So during the registration, your trade password is different from your login password. Yes, so your trade password is a password that you can be able to use in order to make a withdrawal. Okay, so after typing the trade password, I am going to click over here to select that particular account which I've already linked to the platform, and then I'll proceed to click on request withdrawal. Guys, after clicking on request withdrawal, it doesn't take a lot of time. Like, it just take like a couple of minutes. You are surely going to get your money down to your local bank account. So let's proceed, guys. So I am done typing the amount I would want to withdraw. I've typed in my trade password, and I've also selected the account which I want the money to hit, right? So the next thing we have to do is to click on request. But before clicking on request withdrawal, we just have to go through these will I say information that you are seeing right here. Okay, these are, so for you to make a withdrawal, you have to at least have some information about the withdrawal you want to make, so you wouldn't want to make mistake while trying to withdraw your earning. Just like I always say in the video, making money online is one thing, and being able to withdraw your earning is another different thing. So for you to be able to withdraw, you just have to go through this information. So this explanation number one says daily marketing from 8 o'clock to 18 o'clock. So meaning you can be able to place a withdrawal as from 8 o'clock a.m. Nigeria time to 18 should be by 6 p.m. right? Yes, so at least make your withdrawal, place your withdrawal as from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Nigerian time. That is what the number one says. So the number two said withdraw an amount between 1,000 naira to 5 million naira. So you can make a withdrawal from, at least the limit withdraw, or the minimum withdrawal you can be able to make is 1,000. all right, so the maximum you can be able to make is 5 million. That's what the number two is saying. So the number three said to facilitate financial settlement, okay, you can only request a withdrawal one time per day. Yes, so it's simply saying that if you want to withdraw your money, at least make a conclusion, okay, of a particular amount you want to withdraw. You could be having like probably 500,000, 200,000 in your balance. Okay, yes, so if you want to make a withdrawal, just come to conclusion of today I want to make a withdrawal of 10,000 naira, 20,000, 100,000 naira. Just make it once. Do not request for multiple withdrawals. All right, so that is simply what the third one is saying in order to facilitate the withdrawal. So the last one now said they are going to take 5% of your withdrawal for transaction charges. Yes, even bank does that. Okay, yes, so I want you to do something for me. I want you to go ahead, click the like button of this video in appreciation of the value you are getting in today's video, right? Yes, just go ahead. It won't take you extra data to do that, just to show appreciation of the value you are getting. And should in case you are coming across this channel for the first time, hi, welcome. I'm Leo, and I create content around online and offline businesses and how you can be able to earn money for yourself online and offline. So so you know what, do what to join this beautiful family by clicking on that subscribe button. Yes, just go ahead and smash that subscribe button. But hey, after smashing that subscribe button, please do not forget to turn on the bell notification beside the subscription button. So what the bell notification does is to always notify you anytime we upload informative video just like this one you are watching. All right, I would want to use this opportunity to also appreciate my returning subscribers. Guys, you guys are really the best. I want to appreciate you especially for always coming back to this channel each time you get notification of a new video, and I do not take you for granted. So with all this being said and done, let's go ahead and click for request withdrawal for this money to hit our local bank account. So go ahead, click on that, and to load. It's loading right now. So it now wrote application for withdrawal successful. So with no time now, we are going to get our money down to our local bank account. So I'm just waiting patiently for the credit alert. So before then, I am going to take us through the registration aspect so you can see how seamless the registration aspect is while we are waiting for the credit alert. So let's go, guys. So guys, once you click on the link, I'll be leaving in the comment section and also in the video description. It will definitely bring you over to this interface. So these are the requirements for the registration. Over here, you need to type in your phone number, right? Yes, type in your phone number right here. Choose a particular nickname you would want. Type in a password that you will always remember. Remember, guys, type a password that you always remember. And then after that, you are going to click over here that says send. Once you click on that, they are going to send a code for you. It's kind of a verification code. So once they send the code, kindly type the code right inside here. All right, yes. So once you are done typing the code inside there, just go ahead and click on register, and that's all. All right, that's all. So probably the next page you are going to see is for you to select your trade password. So just like I said, trade password is the password you will be using in order to process your withdrawal. That's all. Okay, so once you are done, just go ahead and then click on login, and that's all, guys. So very simple. Remember, guys, we recently created a new WhatsApp group, and what we do in this WhatsApp group is to upload strategies, methods, ways you can be able to earn lots of money for yourself online and offline. All right, and the people or the kind of people we want in this particular group are serious-minded people, action takers. All right, yes, people that do not procrastinate before they can be able to achieve a particular goal. So if you know you have all these characteristics, go ahead. I'll also be leaving the link of this WhatsApp group in the comment section and also in the video description. We would love to have you there. All right, yes. So with all this being said, let's check my bank account and then see if this money has arrived. So guys, just as I expected, the money just came in. As you can see over here, the money just came in. Okay, so this is it, guys. So it shows that this site is actually legit and it pays and doesn't fail when it promised to pay. All right, it doesn't take time. Within a couple of minutes, you will surely get your money down to your local bank account. So this is my local bank account, and as you can see over here, the money just hit my account, which is 1,235 naira. I know some persons will say you withdrew 1,300, and then why are you getting 1,235 naira? When you read the instruction during the withdrawal, you will discover that they are going to take 5% transaction fee. All right, so if you remove 5% out of 5% of 1,300, it will be 65 naira. So when you minus 65 naira from 1,300, you will be getting 1,235 naira. So I'll be going back to the site so I can show you the breakdown of my withdrawal so far. All right, so stay with me, guys. I'm in the site now, so I'm going to click over here, which is my. Okay, so once I click on mine, it will bring me over to this interface. So I'm just going to scroll down and then click over here that says balance details. The reason why I'm clicking on balance details is for us to see the total transaction we've done so far in the platform. All right, so when you look over here, you discover that I still have balance of 1,300 that I'm here to withdraw. Probably I'm going to make that withdrawal tomorrow morning. Of course, I'm definitely going to make that withdrawal tomorrow morning. All right, so this is showing you every single transaction you've done so far in this platform, both the recharge and then your withdrawal. All right, so but I'm going to click over here which says withdrawal, so it can show me my withdrawals so far. So this first one over here is showing the commission. When you look over, you discover that this is saying product commission. So this is the commission I got. All right, and over here is the my withdrawal. Okay, so when you look over here, you see withdrawal. So right here again is another commission, all right, which is the one I just withdrew now, as you can see over. So this is the withdrawal, and then I still have another commission again. Why? That is why you are seeing this balance of 1,300, which I'm going to withdraw as from 8 o'clock a.m. because that is when you can start placing your withdrawal from 8 o'clock to 6 p.m. but to be on a safe side, just place your withdrawal from 8 o'clock to 5 p.m. all right, that is how I do it for myself. So this is it, guys. This is all I have for us in today's video. I'm sure you enjoyed this, so make sure to give us a thumbs up. Yes, go ahead and click the like button of this video in appreciation of the value you got in today's video. And if you're yet to join this beautiful family, I still don't know what you're waiting for. Go ahead, smash that subscription button. Yes, go ahead and subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell notification so you can always get notified anytime we upload informative video just like this one you're watching. So go to the comment section. I'll be leaving the link of this particular platform there so you can get registered and start cashing out for yourself. Don't forget that we created a new WhatsApp group where we can be uploading updates, tips, various ways, methods you can be able to be earning money for yourself online and offline. All right, so keep winning, guys. Just like I always say, keep winning, guys, and never you forget that till you lost you. And until next time I see you again, comrades, bye.